Hello friends, this is Neha Rana. So today we are going to next chapter of maths in class 8, that is cube and cube root. So what is cube? We know one cube in geometry. Geometry में तो हमने एक cube पढ़ा है. वो cube क्या था? A 3D figure in which all the faces are same or equal. This is called cube, but this was in geometry. In algebra this cube is different. What is this cube? When we multiply a number 3 times, so it can be write as, for example, 2 into 2 into 2. This is 3 times, so we will write it as 2 cube. 9 into 9 into 9, this is written as 9 cube. So when a number itself multiplied thrice or 3 times, it's called cube. I can write as 1 cube equals to 1 into 1 into 1. So value is 1. 2 cube equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Value is 8. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4 equals to, and so on. 10 cube equals to 10 into 10 into 10 equals to 1000. So we can find cube of any number by multiplying that number 3 times. Now the next term is perfect cube. What is perfect cube? So what is perfect cube? When we factorize a number and we get all the factors 3 times, then the given number can be said it is a perfect. Example, 1000. Factorize 1000. So factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 is also 3 times and 5 is also 3 times. 2 into 2, this is 3 times and this is also 3 times. So both factors are 3 times. So we can say 1000 is a perfect cube. Another example, 216. Two, 3 times, 3 also 3 times. So 216 will also be a perfect cube. So all you have understand. So students, we can easily identify any number is a perfect cube or not. How? First we will do factorization. If each factorize is coming 3 times, then we can say that number is a perfect cube. Another thing is how to make a number perfect cube. अगर कोई number आपको given है और वो perfect cube नहीं है, आपको perfect cube से बनाना है तो आप कैसे बनाओगे? I am taking an example 392. Is any number? So we will check is it perfect cube or not. Same process, prime factorization. So 2 is 3 times, but 7 is not 3 times, it's 2 times. So हमें perfect cube बनाने के लिए इसको किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है? हमें कितना 7 चाहिए 1 टाइम, तो we will multiply this number by 7. So then it will be converted into perfect cube. So by multiplying 7, this will be converted into perfect cube. Another example I am taking here. '81. We have to make this number perfect cube. It is not perfect cube. So factorize this. Three into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is 4 times. हमारे पास दो मेथड है, या तो हम इस 3 को इधर से रिमूव कर दें, that means we will divide this by 3, so it will be converted into perfect cube. Or another method is we can multiply more to 3, that means 3 into 3. अगर यहाँ single 3 अगर मैं 3 into 3 करूँगी, then it will be converted into perfect cube. So there is two method. First is if I divide it by 3, then it will be converted into perfect cube. Or if I multiply this number by 9, then it will also be converted into perfect cube. I hope now you can make any number that is not perfect cube. You will check by prime factorization method. Then if that which number is not coming 3 times, then we can make. So students, that's all for today. Solve the questions of your exercise. In next video, we will discuss about the cube root and two method of finding the cube root. So thank you.